All right, so today we got the Celica here. I don't have AC, I don't have heat. There is no point in me having a blower motor in there. It's just extra weight that I don't need. So I'm gonna pull the dash, get the blower motor out, and I bought these shifter cables when we did one of the engine swaps. I don't know if you guys remember that, but I bought those shifter cables to replace, but they sit underneath the blower motor. It's actually very weird. So it's the perfect time to do them. So I'm gonna get those installed as well. So I've really also been wanting to clean out the inside of the car because it's filthy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out the seats. Once I get those out, I'll pull the carpet out and everything, and then I'll start taking apart all the pieces to get the dash out.
Oh my god, it's DJ Low-Hat.
Yeah, that's why I wanted to clean this. So many leaves and everything from the car sitting for so long. So, next thing we're going to do to get this all apart, we have to take out this trim piece. We get 2 bolts in here to get this out. Pop this off, pop the screws out of here, get this panel off, and then we're going to start getting everything underneath and around to get the dash off. We're hungry, it's late, we're taking a break. We're gonna go out to get dinner, maybe get some rollers, take some pictures and whatnot, and then we'll come back and get to this. Alright, it's the next morning. The dash is literally ready to come out. Look, I don't know if you can see that, but it's there. It just needs to be pulled out. I'm here by myself, so I'm going to set the camera up and try to get that out. And then we're going to get the heater core, the blower motor out, and clean the whole car. So, next things I want to get done, obviously, remove the heater core, remove the blower motor. I'm going to remove these climate controls since I obviously don't need them, but I don't know what I'm going to fill the space with, so it might just be empty for now. And then the other thing I want to do, you see all that wiring right there? There's some alarm system that was done aftermarket. I want to get all that out. I started to get some of the wiring over there, but I want to get that all out and situated because it makes the car's alarm go off, and then the car, like overnight, it'll start, the headlights will just start flashing out of nowhere. It's really weird. It kills the battery. It's dumb, so I'm gonna get rid of it. Another thing you gotta do when you're removing the heater core is you have to, there's 2 coolant lines that go into the back of the firewall. They go into the heater core, obviously. You're just gonna take one of the lines and loop it to where the other one goes. So one of them, here, I can show you. I don't know which is in and which is out. It doesn't really matter. I believe this one is the in, so coolant is going from the engine in, and this one is coming out and back into the engine. You can see kind of, I don't know if you can really tell. Yeah, that's one of the lines right there on the left, and then this thicker one right here that goes back right there. So what I'm gonna do is, since this one is harder to get to, I'm gonna take it off here, and then I'm gonna just plug it in right down there, and then that'll complete the loop. So I can take this out, and since I have no AC, I'm taking that out. So, I had to bust out the angle grinder. I cut out the inside lines that went into the heater core to be able to just pull the core out, since I literally don't need it anymore. Now I'm just fighting this AC line out, then I'm just gonna pull this way and out, because I didn't want to remove this upper bar. Alright, so got the carpet out. Now all that's left to do is take everything apart for the shifter assembly and take apart the shifter cables up there, get those fished out, and then I'll take everything apart that is covering up there in the engine bay, and then we'll get that done. Alright, so got the shifter cables out, got the new ones here next to it. The only thing we're gonna do, one mod I was able to do, I don't know if you guys remember a while back, I put solid shifter bushings in my old shifter cables to make them a little better. They were still stretched out, but I figured it would help. So I'm gonna take out the bushings that are in the new shifter cables, put my new solid, well, my old solid ones back in, and then we're gonna get these back in the car.